Hey everybody, it's Pokemon Master Martin, and I'm in Fiery Furnace, rank
And
Expert.
Snooker Master 97, it's just that I'm not going to be playing.
I'm in rank Expert, doing Fiery Furnace. The boss is named Infernap.
Again.
That's a first, isn't it?
Except from this is on, EX.
This is on Expert mode, so it's going to be a little bit harder.
Rank F, isn't it?
Rank X.
No, rank F, I mean.
What?
I
mean
mean
rank F. Whoa.
Is it rank A?
No, it only stays in rank Expert. When you're in Expert, it only stays in rank Expert. There's only one mode. Forgot to mention that.
Is there?
Yeah, there's only one. Look how fast it's health going down. Only lost a little bit. Whoa! Where the hell did it? God, it was running around. I was thinking, what? Come on, 2 more hits. Die! Well, that was an easy boss fight. Only a minute. Is that for a crew? That was an easy one. See you sometime else then. James is gay.
Shut up.
James is being dirty. He's sitting next to me with his boyfriend Lloyd.
Shut up.
Okay.
Wait, what do you want to bet? You had a bad dream about plankton.
Yeah. 5 years ago.
No, it was last year.
No, it was not last year.
It was.
Is that a magma? Yay. I've got enough for another one. Oh crap. You're crap. I've still got this crappy Eevee.
What exactly did you dream about with it and then?
I don't know. I can't remember. That shows how long ago it was.
Worried.
I can't remember.
Yeah, get much out of it.
I know. Enough to recruit another Pokemon. Hitmonchan. It's very weak though, isn't it? Why not?
Sky uppercut match point.
I like Sky Uppercut. I like it, looks of that.
You bastard.
You bastard.
Suck my ugly cock.
What?
Oh no.
You know Mum watches these videos.
Do you want to stop recording?
Oh yeah, yeah, see you sometime else then, gays.